In your 30s, the amount of oxygen released to the cells is significantly higher than in your 70s. If you do the math, a 30-year-old will release 55 millimeters of pressure. 95 minus 40 equals 55, while a 70-year-old will release only 35 millimeters of pressure. 70 minus 35 equals 35. That's a huge drop, 55 versus 35, in the amount of pressure of oxygen your cells are receiving. This is extremely important, as the most common complaint I've heard about EWOT is from patients who have their blood tested by a conventional doctor who measures the amount of oxygen in the blood. When it comes back to normal, people think they don't need enhanced oxygen therapies. What the doctor is missing is how well the oxygen is transferred to the cells. When the oxygen pressure falls as you age, the volume of oxygen may stay the same, but you may be oxygen deficient because there's not enough pressure to push the volume to a usable state. When your doctor tells you there's plenty of oxygen in your blood, he's correct. The blood hemoglobin is saturated with oxygen. The problem is that there's not enough oxygen getting into your cells. So you see, the body's ability to transfer oxygen to the cells becomes damaged as we age. This transfer of oxygen from the blood to the cells is perhaps the most significant underlying factor in whether you live a healthy life or not. The more damaged the transfer mechanism becomes, the more likely you are to become ill. This is why you are more susceptible to illness as you age. The breakthrough with EWOT is that it actually raises the arterial pressure back to youthful levels. And what's just as important is that the effect is long-lasting. Furthermore, the technique lowers the oxygen in your veins at the same time, which indicates a dramatic increase in the release and consumption of oxygen because of treatment. The larger the difference between the pressure of oxygen in the arteries and veins simply indicates greater oxygen release and consumption by the cells. Please consider doing a course of enhanced oxygen therapies, EWOT and/or HBOT, to enhance your overall health and possibly help you to both overcome any health challenges and achieve your health, performance, and appearance goals. We offer in-office EWOT and HBOT, as well as help you obtain, set up, and use EWOT or HBOT at home. Most people reading or hearing this won't be in our immediate area. For this reason, we've spent a lot of time and effort finding affordable EWOT and HBOT systems that can be purchased and set up at home. As always, reach out to us for more information at STEM-REGAN/Age Reversal Technology Center. Call 941-328-2462 or visit us at artc.health.